Hey guys, how's it going? Dennis here from primetraders.com. You know who I am. This is the daily primer for the 9th of July. We didn't do it yesterday, so I'm doing it on the 10th. But anyway, in this video, we're going to be talking about what is a qualified trade. So let's jump into this right away. Now, there are only two types of trades. You know this, winning trades and losing trades. But you need to understand that there are also good trades and there are bad trades. Most people, they just don't understand that a good trade can lose you money and a bad trade can make you money. But the main difference here is that if you keep repeating the process of the good trades, you're going to end up being a profitable trader. While if you repeat the bad ones, you'll just end up going broke. In this daily primer, I want to talk to you about what are qualified trades. Basically, qualified trades are good trades that follow a process and a system over time, and how to find the best ones every day of the week. Before we go into this, I want you to understand that with us, there should be three types of trades. One, a trade setup that meets a key level, qualified trades that is. Two, a trade setup that is connected to the news. And three, a trade setup that is based on momentum or a trend. Now in this video I will briefly explain each of these points so you can start looking for these types of trades and execute the prime trader's process of trading with our trading system. So for a qualified trade, this is the process to follow. There is like I said, there is three. Key level. What you want to be doing on key level trades is check the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, the 1 day charts, and look for assets that are approaching key trading levels. How to find key trading levels? Well, very simple. I'm pretty sure you know this already, but if you don't, we'll be adding it to the website. Now, when price is approaching a specific support level or resistance level, or has made a major move and built its support and resistance range level, all you need to do is wait for the process to appear on the ticks. The ticks are much tighter and they provide you a better entry, but you can still enter trades on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day charts. That's fine. Those are swing trades. Or even day trades on the 1 hour, very simple. And all you need to do, like I said, is find the key levels, connect them to the fibs. They'll give you the green light, connecting them to all of our indicators, that is, and voila, execute. Those types of trades give you the highest probability of success. Now, the second one is the news. It's very simple. Find upcoming news, wait as close as possible to the news event, and execute the process just like with the key levels. Wait for the fibs to meet the indicators and execute your plan or process. On momentum, all you need to do is find trending assets and wait for a pullback and execute. Keeping in mind that the prime trader system, the way we trade is because of the entry of the fibs, we always wait for a pullback. That pullback can even be on the 10 ticks, 50 ticks, 1k ticks, 500 ticks. Doesn't matter as long as the process is there. So what you need to do as a trader is kind of understand how are you going to be trading. Are you going to be trading more actively, meaning much shorter ticks, executions over and over and over again? Are you going to be, taking a bit bigger positions, but keeping the trading activity low? That's all up to you. We can discuss this. We will discuss this if we haven't already. So like I said, qualified trades are the best types of trades because the probability of success is the biggest. I will give you one example only, and that is of NASDAQ as number one. I'll go over silver as well. Those are the two trades I had yesterday on Friday with key levels. Let me take you to the charts right now. Okay, so while my C trader is opening up, I want to go over what is a key level on silver. I've actually explained this in the previous daily primer, and I told you how to spot these kind of ranges after a specific move has occurred. Here we have a pretty strong move towards the downside. This is a 4-hour chart. Price action has made a push towards the bottom, created and found its support. That is the close and the spike taken together. That's it there. Price action makes a move back, you take the close and the spike, and you have yourself a potential key level to the bottom, to the top side. Here, over here, we had a clear fake out. Price tried to push, never held its gains, rejected, by the way, this level over here, and pushed back in. If you were to use the fibs here, even on the 1-hour chart or 4-hour chart, you just do this, boom, boom, and there is 54.61 holding very nicely, and price shot right down to 1236. Now, you wouldn't be silly trying to target the breakout. You would target this level for now, and depending on how price behaves in this area here, you would decide what to do. I didn't take this short, but I did take this long over here because price did this and made a pull out, also connecting this to a basic trend line over here, giving me a contraction of price, telling me that there is a potential reversal. I waited and waited and waited and found myself an entry. Here is silver. This trade was released. There you go. So that's the breakout. Let's move this down here. That's the trend line we spoke about there. Price action made a decent breakout. All you need to do is wait for a pullback. Guess what? You had a very nice pullback right here. Price came down. RSI finally dropped down below. And then we pushed all the way up to 1236. Very simple. The next one I want to go over very quickly and show you how key levels work is NASDAQ, another trade I took yesterday. Price action has held a specific rejection level. Keeping in mind that we're still building highs and lows, and this is still a bullish trend. So check this out, resistance, resistance, breakout, price made a push, while over here was our previous low. So we have a key level. We also have fibs from this level to that level, 38.2, RSI down, but we had a key level. This can be counted as a momentum trade and a key level trade. So I'll take you to NASDAQ and show you very quickly. Here was the setup. Check this out. You have a support level from this angle, price action, sorry, this moved. There it is. So you have a support, by the way, that was fibs as well, from this angle too. There they are, 30%, RSI highly oversold, push up. But this is the one I traded. So this was the open over here, so I kind of ignored this indication here and I ended up taking this trade. Now, support, so higher low, finally higher low with a rejection. Price ended up shooting all the way up to 238.2. Major move. Top line resistance, the lows are heading up. That is pattern recognition. So we're connecting everything together to a specific asset and then executing a trade. Now the beautiful thing here is that even if you didn't hold on to this throughout the time, you had multiple entries with these highs and the lows that kept building in this region for specific entries. Price action eventually broke out and a steady gain shot up towards the upside. The same process is connected to absolutely every single of the trades. Key levels, news, momentum. You do your analysis, you do your due diligence, you do your work, and you execute. That's it. Now what I want to do is move you back to the PowerPoint and explain a little bit more. There's a bit of a bonus in this one. Okay, so we're back to the PowerPoint. Let's go over the following. These are the do's of a prime trader. We spoke about these things before quite a few times, but I still want to go over these 4 specific tips just to get it in your mind through repetitive information so I can help you become our next best prime trader. Number 1, be an example of what a pro trader should be. What does a pro trader do every single day? The answer is very simple. He, she follows the process. He, she manages his mindset. He, she knows what to trade and when not to trade. When to trade and when not to trade. He's also on a mission every single day and he knows that he cannot win every battle, but he knows he'll win the war. That's controlling mindset. You're basically controlling 2 things. Your actions, follow the process. 2, mindset. Number 2 is separate yourself from the crowd. Look, eagles, they don't flock. Eagles are the mightiest birds in the sky. They just don't flock. You see them one at a time, roaming the skies, being what they should be. Eagles. While pigeons and chickens, they flock. So it is better to be alone than to be surrounded by people who are bringing you down or putting you away from your goals or from your process. You basically need to be a self-motivated self-starter to be an excellent trader. 3, always keep motivated and energetic throughout the day. Make the most of your day, keep focused, and keep your eyes on the process and your goals, your daily goals, your weekly goals, your yearly goals, your life's missions, your purpose, your meaning. This will build endurance, and that is the most important foundation for success in any business. Because in this business specifically, this business is not a sprint. This is a marathon. Don't ever forget that. Finally, number 4, play by the numbers. It's proven. Stick to it. This is a profession that requires you to show up every day. And if you do show up every day, following the process and all the other things we speak about, such as mindset, in a very short period of time, your life will completely change. You know who I am. My name's Dennis. I hope this video helps you. Sending you love and have a great, great weekend.